On today's video, we hook up a $20 Bluetooth car stereo. Okay, first we're going to do a quick little unboxing. Yeah, I'm doing this on my dryer. Don't judge me. It's what it is. So, it's a very small box. First off, it's got USB input, MP3. It's got an auxiliary jack. It's got an iPlug smart remote app that can control it, I guess. 200 watts, Bluetooth, no CD player, but we don't need to worry about this. This one actually seems like it is replacing the other $20 car stereo that you used to be able to get. And man, this thing is tiny. Holy crap, this thing's small. There is nothing to it. Nothing to it. Wow, itty bitty. Look at that. There's nothing to this. That is crazy. I've had these media players before, and never have I had one this small. Ever. That's crazy. But, so yeah. I don't know. We'll see. It's 20 bucks. Actually, $19.97, so we'll see if it works. Looking forward to it, really. Kind of excited. You get your little quick start guide, and got our wire harness for it, and yeah, you got some USB, or not USB, but yeah, you got your ports. So if you want to run an amp, you can do that. Whatever the hell they're called, I can't remember at the moment. But yeah, I guess that's it. Tiniest little son of a bitch I've ever seen in my entire life. Crazy. But $19.97, and if it makes sound and I can play my music through it, cool. 20 bucks well spent. So, check it out. I'm going to go ahead and hook her up, and I will be right back. Alright, well, we got this thing hooked up, and I gotta say, this is probably one of the quickest pairing Bluetooth stereos I've had. This thing pairs immediately, so I'm really happy about that, because generally what I mostly listen to is stuff on my phone. So I don't listen to local radio a whole lot, just because. So I primarily bought this for the Bluetooth aspect of it. It does have the USB, which will charge your phone, which you can also run your media off your phone that way if you like. It's got an auxiliary input, so if you want to hook up, I don't know, something that uses an auxiliary input, you've got that also. It's got three different bands for presets for your FM, 2 for AM. I'm not going to go through those at the moment. You do have you've got a clock that you can have on display if you like. Another thing that I actually kind of like about it is that it's got a built-in microphone right here, and it actually works fairly well. A lot of the stereos, you know, you've got your external microphone, you've got to, you know, find a spot for your little external microphone, and that's kind of a pain in the ass. So this one actually works really well. You know, good enough to make a quick phone call or whatever. Trying to think of what else I can say about it. Sound quality is decent. I'm not going to say it's up there with your higher end stereos, but I do need some new speakers in here, but I can crank it all the way up and it sounds good. So, you know, it's got two RCAs. I think I flubbed that up earlier. So it's got one set of RCAs out the back. So if you want to hook up an amplifier, you can definitely do so. I'd say for 20 bucks, you cannot beat this. It's not overly ugly. You know, it looks like a dual stereo, and those are pretty basic. But you know what? I can see the clock really well. It lights up nice. The sound quality is decent, and the Bluetooth works well. I have zero issues with the Bluetooth. It has not dropped on me at all. I've been running this for the last few days, and I gotta say I'm pretty happy with it. So I highly recommend the Dual XDM17BT. It's just a media player. It's really tiny and works great. So if you like this review, please give it a like. If you don't, I'm not real sure why you wouldn't, but if you don't, give it a thumbs down. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions about it. I mean, it's pretty basic. You can make calls on here, so you can be driving down the road. You don't need a external headset or anything. I don't know what else to tell you, but it works great as far as I'm concerned. Super small, compact, 20 bucks, best bang for the buck I have ever seen in a car stereo. So, if you like it, like it. If you don't. That's cool. Have a good day. I'm out. See ya.